Welcome to the video series, Getting the Most from Your Mac. Before we get started, we would like to give you a preview of the foundational skills that we will be using in today's video. If you are unfamiliar with these concepts, we would like to encourage you to pause this video now and access these other videos in our series so that you will find success in what we are going to be practicing today. If you feel comfortable with these introductory topics, feel free to continue on with this video. In this episode of Getting the Most from Your Mac, we are going to continue to get acquainted with our trackpad and learn more about the advanced gestures that will perform useful actions. The trackpad on your Mac can interpret multi-touch gestures to help you quickly and easily interact with the content on your screen. Let's take a look at some of the more advanced gestures and practice them together. The trackpad can be found here below your keyboard. The Notification Center is a space on your Mac that will house all of your updates, alerts, and notifications from the applications on your Mac. To activate the Notification Center, bring your fingers to the right edge of your trackpad and then swipe 2 fingers towards the left. You will notice that the Notification Center window will reveal itself from the right side of your display. The Notification Center is different for all Apple users, as it contains updates, messages, and information from your applications and network. To access your notifications, simply bring your 2 fingers to the right edge of your trackpad and drag them towards the left. As you can see, my notifications have appeared on the right side of my display. Pause the video here and try this on your own. When you are ready, press play to move on. Did you know that you had a reference library right at your fingertips? Thanks to Apple, you do. Tap with 3 fingers to access Lookup and data detectors. This will not only help you to research a word, but also to take actions with dates, addresses, phone numbers, and other data. When reading documents or presenting e-text to students, you can use the 3-finger tap to reveal the meanings of new or challenging vocabulary and teach in context. By hovering my mouse over this word and tapping with 3 fingers, I'm able to reveal the dictionary and thesaurus entry for the word traveler. Pause the video and try to activate Lookup with your 3-finger tap. When you are ready to move on, press play to continue. Pull apart your 3 fingers and your thumb simultaneously to reveal desktop. As you can see, my desktop is currently very crowded with several windows and applications open. If I want to get to my desktop quickly to view or access a file or folder stored there, I can simply reveal my desktop by using this gesture. Watch as I pull my 3 fingers apart from my thumb on the trackpad. I'm able to clear the area of all of the open windows. Now I can easily access my desktop files. See? To return to my previous view, I will simply pinch my 3 fingers and my thumb back together on my trackpad. Pause the video now and practice this skill on your own. When you are ready, please press play to continue. In addition to returning to our normal view after revealing desktop, pinching our 3 fingers and thumb together on our trackpad will activate Launchpad. Launchpad is a feature that provides us with quick and easy access to the applications and tools on our computer. Launchpad can be accessed on your dock and is usually found on the left side. Depending on the age of your computer, the Launchpad icon may look like a rocket ship or a colorful dice. Please take a moment to examine your dock and identify your Launchpad icon. Once you have found it, press play to continue learning about Launchpad. Now you may be thinking, wait, I thought we just used this gesture. And you would be correct. While this is that same gesture we just used to reveal our temporarily hidden windows and return to our normal view, it can also reveal our Launchpad. As you can see, I am currently showing that same crowded screen with all of my open windows and applications. At this time, there are no longer any windows to reveal, so if I repeat that same gesture, pinching my 3 fingers towards my thumb on my trackpad, my computer will instead reveal Launchpad. This is inviting me to open additional windows or applications. Essentially, by using this gesture a second time, I am telling my Mac that I need to access something else. So my Mac is providing me access to my other applications and tools. Now, let's take a look at Launchpad. This is a really handy tool when trying to find an app or a helpful iOS tool, such as the calculator, the dictionary, stickies, and notes, to only name a few. While I can use single click to activate this menu by navigating down to my dock and accessing my Launchpad icon, I find it much easier to use my trackpad gesture. It helps to streamline that process. Now, I want to invite you to explore Launchpad on your Mac, so please pause the video and use the 3-finger and thumb pinching method to reveal Launchpad. Explore some of the applications, and when you're ready, press play to continue. Mission Control is a feature on our Mac that allows us to view all of our open windows, applications, and desktops in one screen. To access Mission Control, simply swipe 4 fingers upwards. Mission Control is a feature that allows us to view all of our open windows, applications, and desktops in a single view. This is a particularly helpful tool when you are multitasking and needing to toggle between several windows. Instead of toggling between all of these windows to find what I need, I can swipe my 4 fingers upwards on my trackpad and quickly access Mission Control, like this. This allows me to view all of my open windows, and then I can click and select the window that I am looking for. Once I click on this window, notice that I will return to my previous viewing size, but the chosen application or window is on the top. Pause the video now to access Mission Control on your Mac. To leave Mission Control, just click on your Chrome browser to return to the video and resume by pressing play. Similar to Mission Control, App Expose will allow you to see all of the windows that you have open for the active application. To access this feature, simply drag your 4 fingers downwards on your trackpad. I am currently working with a large number of PDF files in preview. I will use App Expose to show a clear view of all of these windows in order to easily access the one I need. To do this, I will simply pull 4 fingers down on my trackpad. As you can see, I now have a clear view of my preview windows, and I can use my single click to access the window that I would like to open. Pause the video now to try this on your own. When you are ready, please press play to continue. When using more than one application at a time, it can be time-consuming to have to toggle between windows and open them in full screen mode. Happily, Apple offers us the ability to have more than one desktop at a time in order to run more than one application in full screen mode. We can use this gesture to toggle between desktops. To toggle, simply move your 4 fingers to the left or right to navigate from one application to another. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, Mission Control allows us to view all of our open windows, applications, and desktops in a single view. If we examine the top of this Mission Control screen, you will notice that it shows that I have multiple desktops open here. This means that I am currently running multiple applications in full screen view. They will be populated as desktops. I can use single click to access the application and leave Mission Control. See? While I could use Mission Control again to navigate between these applications, there is a trackpad gesture that helps us to streamline this process. To navigate to my other full screen applications, I can simply drag my forefingers across my trackpad from left to right. This trackpad gesture will allow me to toggle to a different application or in full screen mode without having to take the time to resize or minimize my windows or access my mission control. Pause the video here and try this on your own. When you are ready, please press play to continue. Congratulations! You now have learned all of the gestures to use with your trackpad. We encourage you to keep practicing and invite you to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher course on the cool features that we can access with our trackpad. Don't forget to visit our Digital Tools for Learning website. Choose Apple Tools to see additional videos in the series, How to Get the Most from Your Mac. If you need additional support, reach out to your school's educational technology specialist. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.